さあ始めましょう。次の言葉よくわかりますか？どの、誰、何、は、and が。If you're confused, you will give up learning Japanese. 今日のビデオは Confusion and Remedy Series No. 1です。それでは一つずつチェックしてみましょう。Let's check each question. はじめに質問に答えてください。Please choose an appropriate word in each bracket. はい。1番 No.1 どの、誰、何、どれ、人は、が、田中さんですか？はい、there are two brackets. You can choose one of them. どの、誰、何、どれ Please choose one. And next one, は、が、AB, は、が、right? Please choose one of them. Okay, this is a question. Okay. Was it easy? はい、じゃあ let's check. If you made a mistake, you will have a high chance to stop learning Japanese. If you want to be excited to learn Japanese, please fix this as soon as possible. Still you have time. I will help you. それでは質問をチェックしてみましょう。Let's check the question. はい。どの人が田中さんですか？どの人が田中さんですか？ Is it okay? 答えをチェックしてみましょう。Let's check the answer. どの人が田中さんですか？どの人が田中さんですか？どの means which. どの人 means which person in English. After どの noun follows. In other words, どの takes noun always. When the WH question is in the beginning of the sentence, particle is always が. You need to choose が. Please do not choose は. Okay? Please see the following structure. どの人 Okay? どの人が田中さんですか？どの人が田中さんですか？ When you answer the question, you need to keep same sentence structure. どの人が、この人が、その人が、あの人が。Okay? You need to use this structure. この人が田中さんです。その人が田中さんです。あの人が田中さんです。Okay? But following sentence is not the answer from the question. この人は田中さんです。は is used. This sentence is a statement, not the answer. Also, this answer came from different type of question. You will learn it soon in this series. Is it okay now how to use wa and ga in this case? Please do not be confused by many explanations for wa and ga. Is it okay? This is the simplest, easy way to understand wa and ga so far. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video of Confusion and Remedy Series 2, you will learn dare and wa and ga. If you feel you could learn in this video, please subscribe and put thumb up button, and please do not forget your comments too. さよなら。じゃあまた会いましょう。See you soon!